Ready? 1, 2, 3. What's up, y'all? So we're here. It's your well, we have to do it again. We'll do it one more time. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Aviana Zurin here in the San Jacinto area. Oh wait, I forgot. I got Jonathan, the lovely John Tan. John Tan. Look at him. Look at him, and he's sporting that Xtreme jersey right now, tank top. Show them guns. Show them guns, Sue. Oh.
Where? That way?
Oh, wait. Where's the river again? This guy here. So we're out here today. It's the Bouy course event, and we've got quite a bit of people showing up today. A lot of people around Texas are coming to this event, and they're coming to pick up the jerseys. So if y'all want a jerseys, y'all hit me up. Look at that. And to our lovely sponsors, look at that. Special thanks to our lovely sponsors also. But if y'all want a jersey, a buff, or a mask, y'all know who to hit up. Now, let's go on and get on the water already. I got Kevin here. He is the course master. I guess, what would you call it, a course master?
Leader, God.
No. A lot of people like to be called the master. So he'll be the course master today for the Bouy course. So what do you have planned today? Do you have anything?
Oh, we're going to wing it. We'll go down to Mud Lake, throw out about 15 buoys, teach people to turn left and to turn right.
That's it?
It's
no
pretty simple.
Stuff?
Tricky stuff.
Nobody's going to be falling off today?
Oh, falling off? No.
What?
Nobody falls off.
That sounds
Nobody
boring.
turns too tight.
No, we need to see some people get rodeoed off.
No, we'll be putting in some hairpin turns.
Come on,
we'll be doing some chicanes. We're going to make it nice and tight, a little small. It's going to be semi-quick, but very violent.
Do you see this pontoon? This is what we call the, what is your nickname for this pontoon?
The Extreme Party Barge.
Extreme Party Barge, AKA Redneck Pontoon.
Big Fugly.
Oh wait, AKA Big Fugly. And look at her.
The only thing that makes it look good.
She makes the pontoon look good. So we made it on the water, a lot of shuffling, launching the pontoon, and more skis are launching right now. So we're off. I gotta go set up the pontoon. I don't know if you can see it. It's way down there. It moves slow, but it gets the job done. So we're set up now. I set up the base over there on the island, and Kevin hooked it up with the Bouy course. So we're gonna go see who's all here right now. I've been hanging out in the shade. Now let's go do a quick run around this Bouy course and follow people. Let's just see. for your first run?
Slow, cavitating.
Slow and cavitating. As y'all can see in that video, I was going behind him. I almost bucked myself off. So let's go see who is gonna be up next. I did have my hair straight, guys, and it's very rare that I'll straighten out my hair, but the minute I got on this course, I got soaking wet. What's going on? I haven't seen you in a while. I know that ski.
Yeah, doing all right?
Good, good, good. I'm glad you came out and made it. So you're gonna go on that course?
I did it a couple times. This girl is meant to have cheeseburgers and milkshakes. We ain't meant to turn like
Yes,
that.
yes. Hey, don't tease those Kawasaki guys. They'll come after you. So what do we got here? What do we got? What do we got? Stock. Oh wait, they're about to do a timed run real quick. They're about to do a slow practice run so they can know the track, guys. More of the jet skis are on the sandbar. They'll come out here later. Y'all know that guy. He's the Papa Willie on a Yamaha guy. You want to run one on mine before I go back? Run one. I'm going to let him do a run on the new RXP and let's get his opinion compared to his ski. All right, Kevin's going to do a quick run. It's good, it's good.
My first lap and I'm not even used to this thing.
I was in sport mode and I almost bucked myself off. I don't know if you saw one time. What you doing?
No.
Oh, I like those braids. I like them. Is that the pencil sharpener? Where did the pencil go?
It's really not that big.
This dude here came out, borrowed my ski, went out there. I'm telling you, this RXP is nothing to play with. He got 40 seconds. He's thinking that he can do 39. I had 45. I didn't even freaking push it too hard, but he said 1 notch up and you're good. I tried playing with it down, up, all that stuff. Well, down mainly, all the way down. I was like, no, it keeps on digging in really bad. So, which one do you like better for the buoy course?
For the buoys,
Okay, we're not
can't
talking,
really beat that little purple bike.
yeah, we're not talking about, we're not like brand specific, but it's whatever works. That's what it is, right?
Yeah, whatever works. That RXB,
Yeah.
it's a buoy carbon bike.
Yes. So on the races, y'all better watch out. All right, guys, that is a wrap on this buoy course day event. I am tired. Being out in the sun and riding these skis, holding on and making sure you get this good time going on is pretty tiring. So, a special shout out to the DFW group. Some of you guys came out whipping around on the buoy course and rode the sand jack. Hopefully y'all enjoyed yourself. Thanks again for coming out and supporting the Xtreme Jet Ski group. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all hit that like button down below. If you have any questions or comments, put it in the comment section. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Until next time, see y'all on the water.